Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Vilma Bukubo, 47 years old. I work here in Hong Kong for 9 years in one employer. My employer need to release me due to relocation because they want to follow their son in Australia. My main duties here are cooking, marketing, go to supermarket, taking care of dogs. But before, when their grandchildren is still here in Hong Kong, I'll take care of them. Since they was born, I will be the one who take care of them until they grow up. But now they relocate to Australia, so they are not here anymore, their grandchildren. So now, ma'am, but I'm willing to take care the newborn baby. That's all, ma'am.